few years ago, I got a call from a frustrated restoration business owner. He was doing about $4 million a year in revenue. He built a job for himself. Didn't really build a sellable business. Didn't have an exit plan. Was working really hard in the business, not so much on the business. So we started to work together, and he's a very methodical, hardworking guy, and just did a great job of transforming his business. Fast forward a couple of years later, he sells it to a private equity company, has a nice, very lucrative exit. He's bored, does it all over again. So we had a call today, and he kind of gave me the update. And he sold, was about 3 years ago, took a little time off, started another business, another home services business, implemented pretty much the same plan that he used to create a sellable restoration business. He did it all over again, and he's really primed to have another lucrative exit. And he's starting to think about, okay, what's next? That's the kind of story that really, it gets me excited and makes me really appreciate what I do. And I love helping people to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their business, and to build something that they can sell someday when they decide, you know what, it's time to move on. And moving on might be moving on into retirement. It might be moving on to the next venture, like this gentleman that I'm talking about has done and will do again. So that really is very fun for me. And again, this isn't about me, right? It's about my clients, but at the same time, it's got to be fun for me too. And so what I do is I help clients to do a few things. Get really clear on their financials. I think it all starts with there. You've got to have a really clear understanding of your financials and be able to use them as a tool to help improve your business, to be able to see very quickly what's going well, what's not going well, and use it as a way to build strategies to improve your picture. And then also make sure you have clear roles, clear responsibilities, expectations by role, right? Have people properly aligned with the business and create performance-based compensation plans to help get them aligned with what the business needs, right? Not just what they need, which is usually more hours on their time card, more overtime, right? And not profitability. And so if you're thinking about selling in the immediate future, or if you're thinking about selling in 3 to 5 years and know you've got a lot of work to do to get it ready to sell and to be able to get top dollar for it, then book a call with me. You've got nothing to lose, right? Get on a brief Zoom call with me. In very short order, we'll figure out if it makes sense to work together. And if not, we've each made a new friend. I love meeting people in the industry. So click the link below this video, book a call with me, and I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully on a Zoom call, one-on-one.